Welcome. In this video we are going to learn diStorm3 reverse engineering Linux tool. diStorm is a lightweight, easy to use and fast decomposer library. diStorm disassembles instructions in 1632 and 64-bit modes. Supported instruction sets FPU, MMX, SSE, SSE2, SSE3, SSE4, SSE3, SSE4, 3D now. With extensions, new x86-64 instruction sets, VMX, AMD's SVM and EVX, the output of new interface of diStorm is a special structure that can describe any x86 instruction. This structure can be later formatted into text for display too. diStorm is written in C, but for rapidly use, diStorm also has wrappers in Python or Ruby or Java and can easily be used in C as well. It is also the fastest disassembler library. The source code is very clean, readable, portable and platform independent. Supports both little and big entity. diStorm solely depends on the C library. Therefore, it can be used in embedded or kernel modules. Note that diStorm is backward compatible with the interface of diStorm64. However, make sure you use the newest header files. Disassemble a stacked reverse shell generated by MSF payload. Let's write the sample Python program. Type Python version 2.7.13. Let's print the welcome message. Type print welcome to Kali. Here you can see that welcome message displayed here. Type I equals to 10, j equals to 20, sum equals to I plus j. Print sum. Here you can see that 30 is displayed here. diStorm is a lightweight, easy to use and fast decomposer library in Linux tool. So that's it in this video on diStorm3 reverse engineering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.